How to add Arbitrum to MetaMask. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can add Arbitrum to your MetaMask account, and here is how to go about it. Okay, the first step is to ensure that you've launched the MetaMask extension on your page. So after launching it, you can see the MetaMask option and all of that. And then once you can see this, the next step is to move to the top right corner of the screen, top left corner of the extension, where you can see your network drop down. So just click on it. After clicking on it, you can see the number of networks available. If the Arbitrum is not here, just go ahead and click on add network. And then after clicking on add network, you can see the networks that you can add. You can see Arbitrum. Just go ahead and click on add to add it. And then you can see you want to add this network. You can see the network name, the URL and all. Click on approve. And then you can decide to switch to it if you want, but if not, you can just click on dismiss. And then by the time you click on your network drop down and you scroll down, you definitely see it there. So this is how you can add your Arbitrum to your MetaMask wallet. Thanks for watching and have a good day.